Morning. My name is Ajinkya. I study in class 8D. My school name is Ramshit Thakur Public School. Today I am going to demonstrate a simple but a magnificent device that is Newton's Craddle made by Master Rudra and Master Ajinkya. As the name suggests, it works on the principle of Sir Isaac Newton, one of the great scientists in the world. Newton's Cradle is a fascinating device that transfers the motion from one ball to another in a perfectly through series. It serves as a striking visual representation of balance and motion, often admired for its elegance and simplicity. It is widely used in educational settings to explain scientific concepts, in offices used as a symbol of peace, harmony, and focus, and in home used as a decorative piece that combines art with science. Newton's cradle consists of a stand where the balls are suspended by a thread. I will give you a demonstration. When you lift or release one ball from one end, it strikes the next one, causes the ball on the opposite direction to move with the same speed. The ball in the middle remains almost still, and there is a transfer of kinetic energy. A perfect Newton's cradle would swing forever, but in reality, it would stop eventually due to some forces like air friction and sound waves. Newton's cradle shows the third law of Newton, that is, every action has its equal and opposite reaction. It also shows many fundamental laws like conservation of momentum. It transfers the momentum from one ball to another when they strike each other. Conservation of energy. It illustrates how the potential energy is conserved and the energy is not lost but it is transformed. It's like using renewable energy. Elastical collision. It is a visual example of elastic collision so that when they hit each other, they save the kinetic energy. Now, there are many real life examples like pool games. When we use a stick and hit one ball, the ball strikes another ball and there is a transfer of momentum, just like the Newton's cradle. Another example is car collision. When one car hits another car, there is a force that is similar to the Newton's third law. The main purpose of Newton's cradle is that it demonstrates the conservation of energy and momentum through colliding spheres, showing how the force and motion are transferred by hitting one ball to the other. In conclusion, we can conclude that it is a powerful example of physics that can show the transfer of energy and momentum between the objects. Thank you.